Are you dealing with excess road noise? Struggling to hear the full performance of your sound system? Or perhaps you've entered your vehicle on a hot summer day and felt the burn. If this is you, then you may be entitled to upgrade your vehicle with SoundSkins sound deadening materials. So shop now. But wait! First, let's go over what you need to remedy road noise, heat insulation issues, and car audio performance issues. This is SoundSkins, the easiest way to sound dampen, insulate, and finally bring enjoyment to your ride. We are not your traditional sound deadening company. Our pre-cut kits are machine cut to fit your exact make and model, for cars and trucks to motorcycles and semis. No slicing and dicing here, folks. And hey, it's scientifically tested too. Our products won't off-gas toxic smells, and it reduces road noise up to 50%. Ain't nobody got time for that. I love the smell of SoundSkins. We got options, my friends. We got good, better, and best. Let me walk you through it. Good. On a budget, try our speaker kit and rings. These cut noise and vibration while funneling sound straight into the cabin of your car with a crisp audio boost. Better. Want more coverage? Go for the Pro Roll or our vehicle-specific kits. This is perfect for your doors. It turns them into a custom speaker enclosure that kicks road noise out of the car. Best. Ready to go all out? Start with Classic. You want to put that on the outer door for max noise reduction. Then, slap SoundSkins wavy foam on the inside of your door panel. Soundproofing? Done. Audio upgrade? Temperature control? You bet. But wait! There's even more. And if you're serious about sound, like real serious, check this bad boy out. Our subwoofer enclosures are made in the USA. You can also get them upgraded with SMD terminal cups to pass through 2,000 watts RMS per terminal cup. And that's not all. Sound deaden your enclosure with our most popular material, SoundSkins Pro. No more backwave cancellation and no resins, just pure bass. Who knew sound deadening would make that much of a difference? So whether you're looking to quiet your ride, enjoy studio quality sound, or be cozy in any weather, we've got the perfect kit for you. So what are you waiting for? Hit up soundskinsglobal.com and start sound deadening like a pro.